In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your recurring transactions using QuickBooks. This guide aims to offer step-by-step assistance to help you efficiently navigate through the QuickBooks platform and manage your recurring payments with ease. First, we'll start by navigating to QuickBooks. Open up your preferred web browser and go to the QuickBooks homepage. Once you're there, ensure you're logged into your account. This is your primary dashboard, and it's where you'll perform most of your activities. Next, look for the menu option. It's typically located at the top or side of your dashboard depending on the version you're using. Clicking on this will reveal a list of options available to you. This menu is your gateway to all the functionalities that QuickBooks offers, so getting familiar with it will enhance your navigation experience. After opening the menu, look for and select Transactions. Clicking on this will bring you to another page featuring a detailed list of all transaction-related options. Here you can access information such as sales, expenses, banking, and more. However, our focus today is specifically on recurring transactions. Once you've clicked on Transactions, you'll find an option labeled Recurring Transactions. Go ahead and click top that. This section provides a comprehensive view of all transactions that are automatically set to repeat within your QuickBooks profile. Whether it's monthly invoices, subscription payments, or ongoing purchases, you'll find them in this section, making it a powerful tool to keep track of your recurring financial activities. Now that you're in the Recurring Transactions section, scan for Manage Recurring Payments and give it a click. At this point, you'll enter into a nuanced area where you can manage, edit, or delete recurring payments as required. This function is vital for maintaining control over your financial obligations and ensuring that all automated transactions align with your current financial strategy. Remember, making changes is as straightforward as selecting a transaction from the list and following the intuitive editing options offered. This capability ensures you're always up to date and can make necessary modifications when your business needs change. To summarize, by following this sequence, beginning at the QuickBooks homepage, accessing the menu, and navigating through the transactions, followed by recurring transactions and manage recurring payments, you maintain clear control over your automated financial interactions. This step-by-step guide equips you to efficiently manage your recurring transactions, saving both time and hassle while keeping you informed. Thank you for joining me in today's guide. If you found this walkthrough helpful or have further questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to navigate QuickBooks seamlessly. We'll see you in the next video. You and Mendon.